Hey guys, Nick Drossos and welcome to Code Red Defense. Got a question, Nick. Why is shadow fighting important? Shadow boxing, shadow fighting for self-defense. I do a lot of shadow boxing, shadow fighting. I do it almost every day in my training. It helps me be able to make my movements that I'm training. It helps me with being able to practice without needing a partner. It helps my visualization. It helps me put all the pieces of what I'm training together. What's really good as well, it's low impact. Chances you can't really get injured. It allows me as well, when I shadow fight or shadow box, I put resistance, I put a weight vest, bags around my legs, I hold the weights, and I get to train and play out all the different type of scenarios that I could visualize, that I train for, again in a safe environment. And probably the greatest thing, like I said before, is that you could do it alone, any place. You don't need a big space. You don't need to go to the gym. You're at home. You tell me, oh, Nick, how do I train self-defense? I'm at home. I don't have time. Push a table, coffee table, push a couch, and do 3 rounds. 6 rounds of 3 minutes and shadow fight. Tell yourself, okay, this round I'm just going to practice my close quarter and visualize your footwork and your movement and working in close quarter. This round, I'm going to visualize just parrying a knife. This round, I'm going to visualize fighting on the ground. So it is, to me, it is a very important part of your training. And if you're watching the videos, it's really good. A lot of people tell me I don't have a training partner. Well, you don't need one. Again, like I said, and I'm repeating, if you want to make it harder, if you say, well, Nick, it's easy, challenge yourself. Find a way to create resistance, find ways to make it harder, and you're going to see, visualize it, and play it out like it's a real fight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but if you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We'll put the link in the comment box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.